So this is Sean Curtis and Evan Wu. Sean Curtis is out of Saratoga Springs, Utah, and he actually carries wholesale inventories of the standing seam material that I'll show you momentarily. This is Evan Wu. Evan Wu is out of China. He owns Poly Valley Ltd, polyvalley.com. He's the largest polycarbonate manufacturer in the world. Excellent product. That's what he supplies catchsunlight.com with their products. So in this case, Sean, you've gone ahead and put these standing seam panels on top of pergolas in neighborhoods in Saratoga Springs. It really seems to be a popular item, and you do it fairly inexpensive. I mean, it all depends on your next purchase, but you're a couple dollars a square foot for your prices. Installations, like, it's cheap. $1 or $2, and the competitors are nuts. I personally dealt with them. They're like $10 a square foot for the materials. It's insane. And you think you have a better quality product?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, the big difference, right? Like, I was looking into it myself with some of those competitors, but it was just so cost prohibitive that it just didn't make sense, right? I had my own pergola and didn't want to put it on because it was too expensive. So this is a better quality product. Decided to carry it myself, right? And likewise do some installs for people around here.
Yep. And thanks. Yeah, let's go take a look at the quality of the product up on top. I think you did a good job, and appreciate your time. Thanks. So this is a pergola. It uses a 10 millimeter 4-layer standing seam style polycarbonate up on top. What it does is it allows the light through, but it keeps it rainproof, so you can enjoy this pergola in rainstorms, snowstorms. Really is a good idea. It's a 10 millimeter 4-layer polycarbonate. Has excellent thermal properties, roughly about a 2.4 effective R value. In any event, you can see there's no penetrations, and that's what makes this so nice for a roofing solution. It's something I put another video on in the past about. It's something I carry. But what's really nice about this is you put these tabs in. You can see through the translucent material these tabs. So the tabs, the actual connectors to the structure, are hidden by these pieces of trim, and these pieces of trim just snap in place and make it a complete and waterproof membrane. So this is a dynamite backyard. Fabulous backyard. Look at that trampoline in the concrete, or surrounded by a concrete patio. Beautiful pool. Now take a look at that pergola. Dynamite pergola. Same scenario. They have the beautiful standing seam polycarbonate up on top of it, and a gorgeous view of the Wasatch Front across from Utah Lake. We're in Saratoga Springs, Utah here. But this is a fabulous idea to put this polycarbonate on top of pergolas, because it allows you to be protected from the rain, and you still have the light shining through from underneath. So as you can see, they have a nice couch over in the corner. They don't have to worry about it getting saturated by precipitation, so it stays clean. They can come out even when it's raining and enjoy the beauty of their fireplace, their propane stove, or their hot tub, and still be able to look up and enjoy the beauty of the sunlight coming through their pergola. So this is why the idea is so good. The materials that we charge, either through catchsunlight.com or through Sean Curtis's business, it's about $2 a square foot. So we're the lowest price in the United States, of the best quality. Hey, have a good one.